angle properties of triangles and quadrilaterals. So to answer questions in this section, you need to be aware that the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. In other words, in this triangle here, A plus B plus C is 180. If we have a quadrilateral, then the angle sum is 360 degrees. In other words, here, A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. We also need to be aware of the facts pertaining to angles and parallel lines. So, here we have some parallel lines and a line going across them. That's known as a transversal. We have angle A and angle B, and they are corresponding angles. They're in an F shape, and the prongs of the F here are along the parallel lines. In this case, A is equal to B. Here, we're going to look at alternate angles. They're in a Z shape, as we can see here. And once again, two parts of the Z go along the parallel lines. Again, with alternate angles, the angles are equal. Finally, we've got co-interior angles. They're in a C shape. In this case, they're not equal, but they add to 180 degrees. By using these angle facts, we can answer many questions regarding angles and shapes.